Hey, bro.
Hey man, many men, many men. Bro, look at a drop on open and a shot up, taking out the 4 to 430 low. Insane. I like the Asia buy side. Look how many highs you have up there that are relatively equal. You have like 3.
Asia buy side. Yeah, we do have 10 a.m. news that I saw.
How did you sleep?
Not terrible.
It was a bit hot in my room.
Need a hot compress for my eye.
Where were you at? 8 or 9 win streak?
9, I believe.
Forgot. Yeah, you're right. You were at 9. I don't know why it gets so humid in my room. Put the AC to 20, the whole house is cold, and the room upstairs is warm.
Oh, we came all the way down to have a green candle. A
Yeah, I know.
100-point green candle. What is this?
Where we opened up and manipulated lower, so I don't see why we would have to come back down. Unless we're gonna consolidate till 10 o'clock. We have great targets though. We have a lot of highs to go grab till the previous week high. 30,600. Look how many highs on the 15-minute.
Yeah. How funny would it be if you come right back down and reverse this whole move again?
Yeah. Good morning, futures floor. Yeah, it'd be funny. Hey, did you see they put him in a cast? Alexi, did he send you a picture?
Yeah, I texted him, but I don't get it.
You have to put the foot aiming down.
But why a cast?
Me, they just put a cast in the front of my foot. I didn't see his picture. I just woke up. Was it his entire foot?
It looks like his entire leg, sort of. But why a cast? You got a boot, you.
No, I got a cast the first for 4 or 5 days until my surgery. But me, a cast was just for the front. Like it went from under my knee to my toes. But in the back, it was just like wrapping. It wasn't a cast. It's to keep your foot pointing down. Because your Achilles heals like venom. You know, like it slowly reattaches. It's like it finds itself. That's how smart your body is. Good morning, Popa. So they aim your toes down for your torn Achilles that is far apart to get closer apart, and it slowly connects to each other. What I didn't see is that if they put the cast on his entire foot, or they just did like me, but his foot didn't look pointed downwards, huh? His toes? It looked a bit flat, which is weird. Hmm?
You think he's gonna get a surgery fast?
I don't know. The issue with that rupture, it's not like a knee that can wait. This can't wait. The longer you wait, the shittier the process is.
Well,
Like it's supposed to be done right away.
bro, there's waiting lines, bro.
Yeah, or within a week. Yeah, there's waiting lines, but some pass in front of another. Like when people go to a surgery at a hospital and they say, "Oh, we can't take you. We have an emergency." That guy who waited a year for his knee, he can wait one extra day. It's actually crazy that they could do that, huh? You completely rupture a tendon and they open you up, reattach the tendon, and it slowly heals and binds together. Venom. Poor kid, what a shitty day he must have had.
Yo, what is wrong with my back? What muscle did I pull? Anyways, what do we got here? Swept on the 15-minute, full on big, huge wick. ES should go take that internal high. We're in an hourly for value gap. You know what sucks though is that we haven't moved. When you look at the daily chart, it looks like a sandwich.
The daily? Yeah, we've been in this range around
Yeah,
the 30,000 for a very long time. Yeah.
yeah, I'm just waiting for us to get out of this range. Nothing
Monthly
I would take
SMT
care.
with YM.
Probably waiting for news.
Bro, scroll out on the daily. Look at this huge move we have. Look from like the 31st of March. Look at that first big green candle at the bottom of that range. Meow. It's insane. Good morning, chat. Everybody doing good on a Monday? Come to Miami. Do, do, do. They haven't been super correlated lately, ES and NQ.
No, last week's high on NQ I think was Monday or Tuesday. I think ES was Friday.
So crazy. We get the draw right so many times. We just don't get an entry for the draw.
We got news at 10 anyway. It's not the best that they could trade a couple minutes before news. They're both going to take that internal high now.
Bro, how funny is that? The app gave me a free $20 bonus bet. I just threw it on whatever and it worked.
Yeah, that's pretty funny.
Bro, I would have done it 1 minute earlier. It would have been an extra 160 for 1 minute. I got home, I played the free game, and they gave me $20 bonus bets. I'm like, wow, okay, let me just throw it on a game. You know what's even funnier?
Mm.
Initially, when I put Mexico to advance. When I clicked place bet, it didn't work.
I didn't even end up watching the game. Who won?
England 3-2.
England won.
Yeah, 3-2. I tried to go place it, it didn't work. I refreshed the app, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna
Yo,
fucking
look at
put.
that. Look at that. Both internal highs kept stayed on the NQ and ES. It
Yeah, they
came
both didn't
right
take out
like
Asia.
a couple points from it and then just dropped another 60 points lower.
So it didn't work. I loaded it back in, and I just threw it on England. And I know are like they always put shots on target for people. I just went to go look. I took the two best Mexicans, and I took Bellingham, and I didn't want to take the striker Kane. And bro, it all worked in the first quarter. The guy needed a shot, gave me the goal as well in the first half. I wonder what time he got home. What time did he send me that? Oh, bro, he's definitely sleeping. He said he got it at 7 a.m. that cast. Did you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, he got it at 7 a.m. Good morning, JC. Yeah, you hear me? Yeah. I'm guessing you're on your phone. Zero communication skills again.
Okay, I'm waiting for 10 a.m. news.
I know, I'm making conversation. I'm talking about Alexi. You're not answering me. Not even with the. Every time I talk to you, I get the most I get is a yeah. How's Alexi? He sent me a picture of his cast. He got one at 7 a.m. So he was at the hospital all night since like 10 o'clock. And they finally gave him a cast. But I didn't see the picture well. I don't know if they gave him a full leg cast or they just put one in the front like I got. I didn't really see well. So yeah, I'm guessing he completely tore his Achilles. Poor kid. I don't have any other news than that. If it's surgery, no surgery, he has to wait for a boot or what's the case, but we'll see. Hey, well, now's the time he should try BPC 157.
That healed the joints,
BPC
the
157 is not
tendons.
for joints, it's for tendons, yeah, tendon repair.
Is that a SARM, a steroid?
A peptide. Apparently you inject it in the site and it heals like 3 times faster than how it should actually heal. It's so funny because it's a peptide that your body produces in your stomach lining. Mm.
No, there's no way a doctor will give that to him.
Of course, Lonnie has to buy it like everybody else does on some weird website. You get it off a legit scientific website, like a lab. You don't get it from the local neighborhood hero. And it's so funny because when I ruptured my Achilles, I was looking into it. And I'm like, bro, there's not enough research on it. It looks sick. It looks cool. Scars heal faster. I read a study, they did it on rats. They operated 2 rats, and they injected one with BPC 157 at the incision site and everything like that. And the one that got the BPC 157, after like 2 days, everything was healed. And the one that didn't get it, it took him like 2 weeks. It's crazy. They call it the Wolverine stack. Cool shit, huh?
Yo, my back is in so much pain.
It was red folder at 10 o'clock?
Yeah, ISM something. ISM manufacturing. It's always that, I think. I don't know. I feel like it should pump up. Take that swing high on the 15-hourly chart. A little SMT with 947 low. If we inverse 957, we should at least go up for those internal highs. I don't see a reason for us to come back down, especially from here. Yeah, we should bump up from here. There's no reason for us to come back down.
Pump the jam. Pump it up. Why your feet up? Oh, we took out those relatively cool highs right before the Asia high.
I don't know, I'm gonna have to go on YouTube and look at some back stretching movements.
What hurts your lower back or your upper back? What hurts your lower back or your upper back?
More of the mid, I would say. Maybe a bit on the upper side.
I think it's the sitting too much because me too, I get pains there a lot. I try to stretch it every day. What I do is I grab the countertop and then I slowly like push my butt back and try to like stretch that lat area and you'll feel your whole middle upper back stretch. I think you have to strengthen and stretch because when I just stretch it like alleviates pain but then it just keeps coming back or it comes back worse. Doesn't fix it. I see Tyler's short now.
What'd you say?
Tyler went short now.
Someone went short now. Well, you do have an internal high SMT, but
Tyler.
a little CISD too.
I don't know if you hear me. Tyler.
Yeah, I
Hello?
know. I was literally talking.
Oh, okay. Because I said Tyler and you said who? Someone?
Yeah, whatever. Tyler's okay. That's someone.
Wow, he has a tight stop too, bro. Crazy. My computer's been acting weird. Someone go grab Asia High. Yes or NQ. Somebody go.
Yeah, we're literally right there, man. But the SMT low seems protected for now.
Yeah, I don't think that was a good trade by him.
You said he went short.
Yeah, I know. That's why I
How
said
is that a good trade?
I didn't. I said I don't think that was.
That
Like the
was a good
logic
trade.
behind it.
Yeah, a lot of the times when you leave a swing high right under a time-based liquidity pool, it goes back for it. Well, ES looks so ugly. 10 a.m. news. What else we got tomorrow? Wait, no. Tuesday we got nothing. Wednesday we got FOMC meeting minutes. Thursday nothing. Friday nothing either. Pretty much got no news all week. So I can't even go grab it. Bro, it's gonna tease that high again.
The 1 hourly looks very bullish.
Yeah, we'll see what happens once we
Even the
reach
4 hour.
close above this high, start to push up more. I don't know. Oh, it's been very range bound. You look at the daily chart, it's horrendous.
Well, I only have Asia buy side and previous day high as target. We don't really have much. We came down pretty strong on Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday's high. We do have a lot that can hold us down. We have a 15-minute mitigation block, bearish for value gap. I think it was last week's. No, this is, yeah, last Wednesday's new day opening gap.
I'm gonna take this bearish SMT if ES doesn't make equal lows.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Loser! Ew! Really wanted it to run. Well, that was not fun. It was a nice trade though. To be honest, I really thought it was gonna work. Are you playing Silent Library?
Yeah, you want to play?
No, I thought you were playing.
I am, yeah, join.
I'm okay.
All right, yes, we'll go grab it. Price session is slowing down though. We got a lot of wicks. It's not clear bars. Let's get some structure and see what we react from. Oof. Oh, whoa, what was that? It's probably nose. Reagan has her exam today, huh? By the way,
Oh yeah, you know what time?
I'm gonna blow my nose. 10:30, I think.
Oops. Sorry.
Quantity.
Well, he still didn't take Asia. Almost there. No way, right before Asia took it, it came back down. Asia didn't even take the 951 high.
I was talking to myself. Yeah, I saw you. Oh, the kitty's here. The kitty's here. Yes, kitty. Hi. Cat has his own chair. But no, his own chair is not good enough. He needs my lap. He wants some love. Come go on your chair, kitty. Close the door. Oh, he jumps on my chair when I get. Kitty, come here. This isn't your chair. Come. Oh, we got a lot of liquidity and SMT. Do you think we could potentially pull back here? Or reversion? I haven't really taken any shorts yet, to be honest. Oh, he's playing Muty McGee.
Well, there goes Asia.
Oh, he's back. You hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna get along here if this body closure is a green above.
Order filled.
Well, that was a horrible fill. Couldn't have been worse than that.
Ow! Cat just bit my leg.
No way, it edged me by a tick. No way.
Don't be a dick for a tick.
Well, bro, I got a horrible fill too, bro.
Yeah, you got in late. No, I heard you.
Yeah, I know, but I still placed it at 1-to-1. That's crazy.
Stop filled.
That's the most brutal break even I've ever seen in history. What did it hit? What is this? It hit 41. What was it on NQ? What's the high? 41.75. I was at 42.50 my take profit. That's insane. No way, Jose. What a horrible fill I got though. Not horrible though, but horrible. Instead of getting 11, I got like 30-15. That wasn't nice. But the luck I've been getting is horrible. Tabernacle.
Yeah, sometimes it's annoying. That's why when you get like 0.9 or 0.98 over 0.9, I move it to 0.5 R.
Bro, it came down fast though too. Yeah, I should have dragged it though, but really after a huge green candle like that, I didn't think we'd fucking reverse it in one candle. It's okay, what could you do? Oh, fuck, if I would have got my fill like normal, I would have hit it though. I just got such a horrible fill. I wanted a 1-to-1 from my fill.
Yeah, you got to put it from your entry. You always told me that.
Yeah, I know.
You're the one used to tell me that. It's from your entry.
But it wasn't a
It's
lot of
from
money. It's
it's
supposed to
from
be like
the
close to 200. I was like at 140 at like 0.995 of my of where I'm
it's
supposed to
from
be
the
from.
close of the candle.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying it wasn't a lot. It's supposed to be 200. I was like at 140.
When I push my head down, it hurts in my mid back. That's crazy. What the
Let me
hell type of
guess.
muscle though?
Right on the outer of the omoplate.
It's like in my mid back.
Like your spine a little bit to the right and your spine a little bit to your left under the omoplates.
I don't know.
That's
It's
where
not
I get
really
it.
under the flat, but
No,
yeah, it's
I don't mean
sort of
under like under it itself. I mean like under it, like away from it, under it.
yeah, pretty much that. Yeah,
Yeah, me too. It's tight as that's what I'm telling you. I grab this each side of the table, and I slowly
left.
pull back my butt while like trying to reach my lat and stuff, and I try to stretch it out. Me too. I'm very tight there on both sides. Me.
So that it's tight. I pulled a muscle.
Oh, it's your muscle pull.
I look down and it feels like a muscle in my back is about to tear.
Good morning, James. Thank you. You as well. Good luck. Hope you have a great week as well.
What's slow, weird price action? He has broke above.
Yeah, to be honest, the volatility hasn't been too shabby.
Utility's pretty garbage today. What are you talking about?
We've been getting decent follow through.
You're having wicks, small candles, sideways consolidations. Oh, this cat is beyond annoying. You're chilling one spot. He keeps moving. Portugal and Spain are playing today.
Yeah, 3 o'clock. Portugal.
Bro, this cat, man. This cat is crying to leave again. Then he cries to get in. Oh my god, I'm gonna block the door.
You're gonna block the door, you're gonna hear meow, meow.
Get out. Go.
I just heard him meow.
Yeah. Go. I don't know if I can put the block the door. He just went out. He's probably gonna break in again in like a minute. I don't know where Price really wants to go.
I don't know either.
What time's the game?
3 o'clock.
Oh, so you're not playing today, you?
No. have an idea. Bro, is there like a, I don't know how to call it. Oh wait, I think I got it.
Can't sleep through the night. Da, 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 da.
That's a big candle. Can't sleep through the night.
I don't know how long her exam is. I know it starts at 10:30. I hope Dad remembers that she has an exam and doesn't start to yell.
Oh, she's doing it
It'd be
at
real
home.
Yeah, of course.
Of course, you didn't know. All exams are at home. Mm.
Why would she call us to tell us to be quiet? If she was doing it at school, she would call us to tell us to be
I'm not
quiet.
there. How would I have known she called you to be quiet?
I just told you.
No, the only thing I heard was I hope Dad doesn't yell. I didn't hear you say she called you guys. Oh, where are we going? Where are we going?
Or St. Pierre.
I got one of his pizzas from Costco.
Wait, what? He has a pizza thing?
Yeah. I think they're doing like 2 weeks at every different Costco or location. It's like not in Costco. It's so funny. It's like Marché aux Puces, but in Costco. Like every like 2 weeks, there's like a new stand there. Like a long time ago, it was like some type of dumplings. I bought like fucking 4 bags. I bought 3 bags because you had to buy three or none. They didn't even sell them individually. And now it's Georges St. Pierre's pizza. It was like two for $15, two for 16, I think.
Did you try the pizza?
I took a bite of one that they cooked. It was okay, but I'm gonna make it myself and see. Cause bro, like they're in a hurry, you know. And then there's a lineup too. I tried his hot sauce. It was hot as shit. My mouth and my throat was like it made me cough. Everyone's like, give me hot sauce. Give me hot sauce. I want to try the hot sauce. I'm like, yeah, can I have a little bit? Puts like 4 drops on my little square. And I knew it was gonna be spicy because Georges St. Pierre. I was guessing it was gonna be like brûlant. I even smudged off half of it on my little napkin. I took a bite and it was burning, bro, burning. Ay, ay, ay. It's crazy how some people manage spicy so much better, you know?
Yo, my back. Okay, I think I don't know if I pinched a muscle in between. I don't know what happened, but I don't know. Maybe I need a toenails massage gun again. Loosen up the muscles or something.
Well, that's not fun.
It's been days already. It's been like 3 days. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Yeah, so it's the 4th day.
Can't sleep through the night.
My back. Ooh, my back. Help me. I'm a Sam, I'm a Costa. It's at 3 o'clock the game, right?
Yeah.
I'm a Sam, I'm a Costa.
Mama say, mama sa, mama, mama, kusa. Mama, 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 mama. I'm curious to something. Let's go take a look.
God, my back is destroyed. All right, let's try it. Twist my back. Doesn't hurt.
That didn't look like a decent 2 green, 2 black at 1052, out of curiosity. Or even the 1, 2 black at 1055.
No, left equal highs.
The one at 1052?
52. Oh, no, because you're not bearish. You don't got that one. Overall, you're in the premium. That's 1 on 3. You need at least 2. And the last one in the current dealing range. The current swing point I have is 1048 to 1050. You're not in a premium or discount. It's scratched off. So when it's like that, you're just guessing where the top is going to be. Baby, Bishina.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I wore a bit of AirPods last week and I got so much ear pain.
For real? You wear AirPods?
Yeah, I tried them out and I wore them for a couple days and then my ears started to hurt. I don't know. I don't know why. Shit was weird. But they're so uncorrelated. And they've been so uncorrelated.
In the bedroom.
Uh-oh.
Your computer, Michael, this box?
David, man.
Yeah, I know.
All I hear is yelling.
I'm not even yell. It's mom.
Bro, how does your phone pick up her voice 8 times louder than your own voice?
Because she came in here yelling. I don't yell when I talk to you on the mic. But you would catch my voice louder if I spoke like everyone else in here. You get it?
You get it or not?
You get it
Explain
or
it.
not? Explain the joke.
Explain it. You get it or not?
I'll be back. I'm going to stretch my back.
Oh, okay, I go do that. What targets do we even have on the 15? Oh, we got equal lows here on the 15-minute. We have the whole gap fill until 102. Actually, not even. There's no really gap. The gap is here. 131.25. Equal lows on the 15.
I'm back.
Welcome back.
Oh, what horrible. Hey, we might get some PM price action then, eh? Last month was AM, this month PM.
Every month we change. Why do you call when you're short on cash? We still waiting, waiting.
I hear her yelling.
It's no bueno, no bueno.
Yeah, it sucks when you really prepare for an exam and then you just get hit with a bunch of problems that increase your stress. You can't log on, you don't have the proper software, whatever, any garbage. Then you have so much stress you can barely think properly for your exam because you're not calm.
That's what's happening to Megan. She's having issues.
Yeah, I think she was missing like I think to take the exam, you need to have Windows, but she doesn't have Windows on a Mac, I think. So she just took dad's computer upstairs, I think with a laptop. I don't know.
Yeah, it ain't fun having those issues, but the thing is, bro, they must have told everyone that before because they know so many people have Apple. Like, come on.
I don't know. I don't know how it works. I don't even know what the problem is. Maybe it's not even that she doesn't have Windows. Who knows? That's what I heard. I heard that she needs Windows. No, but that's weird. Not everyone has Windows. What do you expect people to go buy a computer? I don't know. I'm not good at computers, bro. I don't know nothing about that.
Can't sleep through the night. I don't know what we have as higher targets and lower targets here. We still have the equal lows on the 15 minutes though.
Yeah. Well, 10 o'clock, we didn't do much and then push us up, and now we're consolidating. I think up is the move.
Even with the 15-minute equal lows?
15-minute equal lows is not something that has that much bearing on anything. What? How bad are those 15-minute equal lows?
I think
I
they're
don't even
right
see any
above it for
15-minute
buying. Yeah.
equal lows.
Yeah, I know you're probably on MNQ. I'm on
I'm
NQ.
on NQ. Where are the 15-minute equal lows, buddy?
Where are they? At 10:45 and 10:15, buddy. Always like yelling, bro.
What does that have to do with anything?
Or acting like I'm fucking stupid. Like I don't see equal lows.
Yeah, we're right on them. What does that have to do with bearishness? Well, how would you be bearish? All you have to do is take 987. We're right there.
I know, I'm just saying for now, I'm not comfortable pulling along when I have equal lows. On the
I told you
15
I'm
minute,
more
that's all I
bullish, and
said.
you're saying even with the equal lows, well, they're right there. We're just moving sideways anyways. How is yes always stronger?
I don't know, this morning was NQ. Yes, caught up during the 10 o'clock and became stronger. I don't know, Scoob.
Did we take it?
Yeah,
We did, no?
yeah,
No more 15-minute equal lows.
no.
Where? Upstairs?
Poor Megan, bro.
Yeah, it's not fun. Anyways, it's not like she always takes the whole time to do her exams as well. She should be fine.
I hear them yelling. Bro, I don't understand women who just, honestly, that's why people say women are led by emotion.
Alright, chat, I'm gonna end the stream here. I'll see you guys back at 1 p.m. for the afternoon session. Thank you guys for tuning in.